Lavergne's approach to combining aesthetics with functionality ensures that customers not only have visually appealing furniture, but also pieces that serve their needs well in everyday life. The complementary interior design consultancy takes the customer experience to the next level by providing personalized guidance, ensuring that each piece selected fits seamlessly into their home and lifestyle. This commitment to customer satisfaction creates a win-win situation where customers leave feeling happy and satisfied with their purchases, knowing they've received top-notch service and quality furnishings. We're thrilled to offer personalized options up on request, ensuring that your furniture fits your unique style and needs perfectly. Right now, take advantage of our spring sale, where you can enjoy 20% off on your favorite products. Lavergne, crafted by nature, designed for you.